Lagos to Soweto, from Accra to Mombasa. We bring the same bright morning, same hands, same hunger, same culture. A market full of stories, child with a new name. One road, many footprints, but the heart beats just the same. No more stones in the street, no more fear in the door. If you look in my eyes, you will see what we are for. One people, one drum. One people, one love. Hold my hand, my brother. We rise up high above. One people, one drum. Let peace run through us all. South Africa, open your heart. We are standing tall. When the fire starts to spread, it does not ask a passport. It burns the trader, the worker, the mother at the bus stop. So let the anger go, let the shame fall down. We do not heal with hatred, we do not build by breaking crowns. No more tears in the yard, no more hate on the wall. If you give me respect, I will give you mine to all. One people, one drum. One people, one love. Hold my hand, my brother. We rise up high above. One people, one drum. Let peace run through us all. South Africa, open your heart, we are standing tall. If your brother came here running with a suitcase and a prayer, would you shut the gate on him, or would you pull up a chair? We are not strangers here, we are family in the rain. When one of us is bleeding, all of us feel the pain. One people, one drum. One people, one love. Hold my hand, my brother. We rise up high above. One people, one drum. Let peace run through us all. South Africa, open your heart, we are standing tall. One people, one drum. One people, one love. Whoa. Hold my hand. No Afrophobia, no xenophobia.